Did you go to last name? Umaria. Ime wabie. Iwe kale uke vela ribe. May my husband to eat. In Allah what yo. Ni Allah media. Egbe oko me competition iro. DJ Goats. Igo ni yeze always amelo. Competition iro. God say. Thank you mama. After you not bedu. Oh yeah. Yìí mẹ́yàwó ṣe ọmọ ọ̀sẹ̀ ọmọ ìṣàjẹ̀wẹ̀ ọmọ o. Lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ kò yé mọ̀ jẹ́gẹ́ lóríire ajé ẹsẹ̀ gbẹ̀wẹ̀ ọmọ o. Please help me, you're going to not see it. And that go get to the goat because of passport. Sister Jane, good morning. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Don't pick your full ground. My life, I start to see your best. No, you saw the day play. Thank you, mommy. How you there, Sister Joy? How you there? Happy Sunday. I beg get what you are your year. Now make me don't come out. DJ Go say I go put up. He say upon all the help where the lady help me and my husband. I beg, which one the only help where the people help the woman take the help now make us. I beg go let me know. Let me know because the only help where this woman they help people now make us take the help. Because if you say you don't help my husband, wait till be that one. Wait till they help him. May come and come to that one. And that one now they interested. If you say that me no shocking. Wait till they because everybody knows that so. Now say they help. Now wait till they help this one. So as he thought say he help my husband, I want to know wait till they help him. Because the last time I check, nobody fit help my husband. Even DJ Go, your own share man. My husband don't help him. So as he stuck her yesterday, it shocked me. So I bet me come and come talk. Whether now this one he take help her for inside, or which one he take help her because he not get any offer to offer my husband. So if not this one, let us know. Ni I beg. We'll continue my make come. Now that one I make me come out too. Very intelligent. answer am. Because when you come to my husband, I know the grill, my head is scatter. You understand? So make I know, DJ God, I beg, I want to make her help us. Differentiator. You said the woman don't help me and my husband. I beg, this lady not get what to tell family. But that one where I get, say, he say he don't help my husband. I beg, which one for his side? Because everything where I know about that woman and this one. Now this one they know the share. I don't know whether my husband there among. I beg, make her talk. We know her. Saga, we have just saga ni me DJ God. We have just saga ni me. I beg, call her make her talk. He leya. He just saga me swen. He said, I beg mo. He DJ God, hey, you mention one word. I want my they talk and make you the hear am. Yeah, I want. I bet I listen to this one. Then in DJ God the saga himself. That one show and one thing. This guy never sabi saga at all, never sabi anything. You see they learn. You see they learn. You see they learn. Lare DJ God the
disgrace in your type body. When one throw, just want to see your Facebook. See me the way they do concerning me success today. Everything when they command and red pen at the answer. See the one when I do now love and like. Now how say people now they love, now they like my video. Now they come.
Oswald, who they comment? Ask the people. Thank God say you say ask the people. Because they don't know you. And you when you DJ God you when you the time where nobody know you for Asti. Nobody know you. Nobody know you for presenter. Now asking people now know you. Nobody know you. Okay, may I carry one topic on my side now. May I see all my fans. You know the feel make I carry no game. May I carry anything presenter. Am I aware? Did you go to where you now let people where they ask they follow you? Your union. You hear the saga yourself. Make I carry person Enogie. May I carry any other person come and make conceive you. You understand? But what of you? Only Asti. DJ Goat. You see, you say they don't share my video. Because when they go share my video, they don't know who I they talk to. They don't know who I they talk to. They don't know you. They don't know you. Now let this Asti know you. Only this Asti. Now I know you for Asti. This guy, you're the fool himself. Now, may I show you. See, because of you, I'll come out again. May you see if you will go enter. Because if they talk about you, then the teacher they do the mumu. Because they don't know what, they don't even know what the saga. So now now let ask the people if you know you. You understand? And your union, come. Did you go see? He said the also. Then they fell if you bring me down, you know fit. You see, my for you, oh yeah, now you nasty. Now you be this one. Okay, my for you start. See, man, I didn't know what die now. That's what they pay now. Well, not be that one be my problem. Not be that one be my problem. That one not be my problem. Did you go see you see saga what they do? You see view for your viewer, the viewer. What have you? I carry Becky K. What have you? But if they carry you come out, they don't know you. Now I don't want to pay me. So I they do the video for asking people where they know you. Now asking people are they do it for. Now they don't know you just if you. See, I said only Becky post what I post 1.7 because they still know Becky as presenter. There. Okay. You see this one? The Queen Talk Show. You see the view? You see how many? You see this one of my daddy. You see this one? I see Becky. You see view? You see this one? I see Becky. You see view? You see this one? You see view? May I write your name? They don't know you. You are not existing. Now let your city ask the people that they know you. You where they bet you their head not make us share you. Eh? What did you find? That's it. So. Nobody know you. Just look only the one where I take the view your mama. Only your mama picture. You see, no view not there. Because you know they exist. You are not a presenter. Only your union. I see people and they know you. Nobody know her. I even put Becky, they see view. 10K view. 8K view. Everybody view. You see her. Make I put you. They don't know. Even I know sister of them, they look me. Because they don't know they only know me for a year. They even greet me and say, good morning. They don't share, finish. They don't know you. That's why they tell you, say, before you were famous, first go learn. I put Becky, oh, you go. I put this one, you go. You put this, if I put my come out now, I can't do saga now. Say not be you. You go see you. They don't know you. Here my way. Now last people know you with your union. You say, you know they told the one where I help your chairman. Your chairman, where no seafood eat. I beg for give one. Your mama just say, you don't help you. I don't know because me no say na totally the share, but me no know which kind of help. So I bet you God, come make me understand where. Whether na the bekus or which one it help my husband, or whether na like this, I don't know. You say you help me, don't help you. So come talk am. Come talk am. Don't tell when no you help you, I dey make sure your name. Not say everybody they look me. DJ Goat to be DJ Goat. They don't know you. And people where they wash you. Now my city people they wash you. You understand? Now let my city people. Now they wash you. Because they call Matioti. Who they wash? Who know you? Make a capisa no do saga today, say not tomorrow. Now I want start saga again. You understand? Okay, I go come out again. I can't do Anita Shamba with Vierio. May see you. But may they put you. They're not going to see you bring come outside. You understand? Let's go there.
No, because we were traveling. No comment. No love. No love for your people.
I don't need love, my brother. I don't need that. We tell I don't go find me come. Help go. You know, say when you don't big, you know, say they do like this. Not be say I too eat too much. Not be say body they catch me. I just realize say my husband put me for the nest of king.
I'm not putting you for the nest of king.
Who be your nest of king? Your pikin. I know.
I'll put you as nest of king.
Not be say I dey raise my body, oh. Not be say my shoulder too high. I realize say my husband don't put me for nest of king. You understand? I make you see the shoulder they go like this. You understand me so? Yeah? DJ girl in as well. No like no. Now let ask the people feed. They say can I let ask the people? Who said ask the people? That they feed me? They know they feed me. Even that your chairman, we don't see feed down. Kai, I don't want to pay you. You want the passport? You go meet you know, make they donate for you. Before you confident say family passport, it costs. That means now union donator for you. We are big. You understand? You understand me so? So the woman will tell you say you don't help my husband. Tell me, he don't shop my food. Go that friend. Fred, they follow each other. You must eat each other food. That one normal. DJ God, look my fridge. I store am. Now something I say make you bring for Nigeria. You know if you bring. Umaiti when we can Nigeria re. Now things I tell you, you go run buy goat, me don't kill goat. Okay, may you see bring something come out. Bet is for Nigeria. I not be like you where the bet 10 wrote egusi, 5 euro egusi before you cook. No, I'm not doing that. I may why? I don't hear egusi 10 euro nowhere. Where I tell my dad put some more journal and me tell me. DJ God, Ogbola where you dey eat? Not be buy you go dey buy 5 euro, 10 euro. More la diana again now. Man I love se kia ije monya kia mwa ije kia no ga monya ye imevu ene degbe mi agbapu e na me ivu kia ifune na e won me igbe me he yidi bae na weekend ade na my husband na I know the fair people who work on my own, I'm not too far for person hand. Eh? So before you talk, you know. DJ God, we were saga yagba lebu. Where they are saga my brother. Erio, mo, who were yagba lebu. No, we Epa man. Everybody knows says a liar. No matter the sitting around. Even only year low. I buy. Our honey, I buy you nane. Yeah, go bonny area where the tefla Yahweh. I buy. You say what we talk. I will talk. I bet you. What you say to my husband? Can't tell me because the last time I check, my husband not even the carry woman things come house. Except say like this one you take Epa. This one. And you go give her, you go give you also free. Now free or charge you are no one will be where you have a car where Bayan or company no. You know who way. Eh? Landlord on tenants. I think say you help my husband. Because me I see my husband never carry something come as he come say na mama justice na bring her come for me. He never bring her. I say now this one you take Epa. If you use this one Epa, tell not a landlord you do it the same time. It's a shameful thing. Now with my sister come clarify that way. How you take my husband? My husband never beat his country's house. He can't say okay, now mama justice na bring her come. No, I never see her. So apart from saying this one, I bet bring her come. If you even do yourself, now you know if you yourself. I can't count how many people for the count back where does you yes. You say my husband now is my talk and say me the meta, me the colo, I be na he talk and say wait go there. Say he say me the colo, my husband is a man talk and bet my see brother. When matter if you don't say my husband never tell you know how the work. You know say be wako woman. Before na not fit near me. I wako na ija wako for another name. That wako na my own na. Ije me. Imana wako I want a day. Eni wa mu we o wa lele ya still people DJ Goat. La someone woman come that boy I no tie DJ Goat. Because I want them. Imagine see this idiot. He say if they don't share if they share video, then they see comment, then they see. My dear DJ, what did they call you? I beg, you say you don't help my husband. The last time I check, my husband not the shop for my food. Number one. Number two, my husband never bring something come this house. He can't say na mama, now this woman I bring her come for me. In all day. I beg DJ Goat. Come make me understand whether now this one you take give her. Man, no, they don't know yamune. If you see give her, I hope you enjoy her. You enjoy her? The woman will say, my husband, you hate my husband. You enjoy her? Oh yeah, go. You enjoy her? You say, now what I go do video today because of you. Now tomorrow I want to start saga. Tomorrow I want to start, but I'll do saga. Anita and Ivy, your DJ God may conceive you. Because if I talk about you, I don't say that they look me. They don't know me. They don't know you. I carry Becky come outside now. They go know. If I carry the queen show come outside, they go know. If they carry what did they call again? Enogie, they go know. Go they see you. But if I say DJ God, they'll say, I bet the only thing I call the year they'll begin they call me yours now. I say, forget this guy. They don't know this guy where they talk. I know they do it because of that. They do it because of my city. So not the verse DJ Goat I agree. Not be my fault say you not dey popular. Now God will punish today head not. Now God like go punish today head not. Wait today head not share your video. Make it go viral. You wait the best say make today head not make you share your video. Today not come share am. Today no but fear cool. As you not share DJ Goat make DJ Goat go viral. Now God will punish you. But fear cool. DJ Goat they don't know you. I feel they tell you. Oh yeah, me I do saga just now. May you come and see what that one don't do Genesis, what Becky don't do Genesis, generation. Yes, so I buy you. I go where my way. The only place where know you now my city, and your union. Now that they comment here, nobody know you. The person where saying don't help me. So tell me what it help me. If they carry my pikin go school, and I don't see they carry, I don't carry pikin go school. He helped me, I help her because you know what? I don't want to talk in your own parts. So I want me, I just give her that glory. That's why the thought say, I don't if I don't help me. May you come swear with the pikin here, where that another help pikin. Even book where they say me they buy for school. Now me help and go submit her for school for you pikin. 12 o'clock, if pikin not they stay reach one. Because me they come and 10 to 12, my 12. To the end they come put the pikin for school. May they close for 10, 12. Based on that time, me take the enter house. I'll go carry the pikin for school. He help me, I help him. So which one did they talk? Because I don't want to talk. Who was what? Yeah, that they work for nurse, I be for hospital. He go lucky pikin for inside house. He go lucky pikin for inside house. So they go give me I go open door. Say pikin dey inside house. Only pikin go dey inside house. Person will go lucky pikin for inside house. He go come out. He go work. The pikin go pass back on him. You know how many times my husband don't pursue that pikin me enter house. We know say he lock up for inside house. Nobody dey inside house. If I be bad for I go call police for her. No dear, Moku bring this one the feel say matter not the Moku start am. You know how many times this guy don't lock pikin for inside house. And the pikin are very stubborn pikin go come out for back on him. Don't go pursue and say, yeah, that's your mommy not decide that. We'll go even the family, they not go call police for her. We'll not do that secure. Because we was more quiet. So they talk. For your man, you not get dirty story. When you go lock your pikin for inside house, only your pikin go sleep inside house in daybreak. If I go rebel, I know your pikin they cry for inside house, that they answer. You're not picking for his house, you go work, duty work. To the extent I'm not go sleep for night. And they make sure to secure that domot. Man, not they make this boy not go put door come outside. He get the day where he tell me say I carry pikin go school. 8 o'clock and I want to carry my pikin go school. As I go and put the door with the key, I don't see pikin for his house. Man come begin they fly. Before we know this pikin open door come out, they go school by himself. I could go block that thing for school. Say na miss town for road. Tell her make it enter school. Because the pikin come out for us and supposed to go school by 8:30. Now 8:30 supposed to go school. This pikin come out for us 7 something. He go school by himself. I open their door because he woman give me square. He give me key, private key. I go open door. I don't see the pikin. Now I rush go school. As I reach school, day school. They ask me, say, you're not polite, and I go was okay. I see one bros where they speak English. Say, what did make me leave the Peking? Now I said, no, now me tell her me come school. Now I follow and reach road here. They say, okay. Before mama come, I come call mama say, okay, relax, in their school. Everything do okay. No, because I said, see, did you go to not be like you when you go finish you don't be here say, baby, say mo could bring her come on. He say, don't help me, I don't help you too. If not be me, don't carry your pikin. I wanna when I swear, okay, guess what? How you tell me? You they carry my pikin, they go school. I see they help you, they carry your pikin, go school. Now I be the help. I bet the one that I'm not even there that one. I'm not interested. The one where you thought say my husband, you help my husband. I bet which help you help her. Now this one you use for her, or now this one you give her. We want know. I'm interested. If now this one you give her social free. I was see count that job people where don't knock you for the compound. Not be man, not be joke. Ninja. If you say you help my husband, now this one you tell help my husband, meaning my husband knock, 10 knock still knock, my husband 10 knock still knock you. The 10th floor sit there. That's why I care. You don't want. Say you help me. DJ girl, they say for now everything they help me. Ask her whether or not they leave the pikin for inside house. I can't talk to security for Palazzo. If I go there, go in bed, then one tell me say, my mommy not the house, my mommy not the house. My man not go settle because of this idiot. I go they work out for Palazzo. They climb step, they go up. They climb step, they come back. They climb back, they go up. Not the exercise they do just to put eye for that door more. Men not go put that door, or men another person not go put that door. That pikin call answer. They call police. Ask her get his square key. Ask her when he go collect his square key from my hand. Ask him. When he go collect his square key from my hand, he own key where I take the open door enter house. He was with me. My dear DJ God, before you talk, sit down. Epa Eddie. I see Epa. He help me, I help him. The one to make me the verse for her, the person will need help, our friend will need help, he betrayed that one. Now that one, they verse me. You hear me? You hear me? Hello? What I go say? You don't forget, you know tell you say they give me he privacy, he own ass. They give me key. I trust, but I don't feel leave my own key for her. My own key, I don't feel leave her for her. Based on many things I don't hear about her. I did teach people pants, can't go Nigeria. When you want to go Nigeria that day, she don't let me leave her. Who else were? When you go leave pikin for inside, pikin go pass back on the come outside. They go pursue enter inside house. Masma Guan. Most out of the talk. I don't want to talk about what I don't. I don't want to talk what I say Epa. But I want just talk the one way to help me. May carry the glory. May know say I not get. I say I not be that kind of person. When you come because say help me, I cause you say I me not see Epa too. No, na small pikin they do that one. But you go the way they talk, you they feel say na lay you one. Now you just help me. No, I'll give more quick bolo say. If you ever son, if I open the come out for night, my husband say wait now I want the this thing. This woman don't leave pikin for inside house. Because our compound, they're not good. Even when somebody even talk say, if you not take time, he go call police for a pikin. As they leave a pikin for inside. Not be only one notice say if they leave pikin for inside house. Even the person when see this compound, they say he go call police for her. Because of that, I even tell now, as a friend, say somebody say he go call police for your pikin. No, if you leave pikin for inside house, since that they become a security for this woman. No, after saying na pikin, I be no one talk say I help because na pikin. But since the same one pikin they break, I will take help each other. Let's break it up. Yeah? Before we call the enter the meme one. You say you don't help my husband. How you tell my husband? Did you go play? Say my husband talk say you know till they pass through for inside my house here. Say me na my person the craze. Now the woman I tell you. Now that woman, I tell you, and I remember. And that the husband, remember when me and you call her for your wife, you know say you don't go come out for inside house, you don't go come out. My husband be one come out. Because me and you the quarrel. You go your wear cloth, you go move. That day I hold my husband, I say you not to go anywhere. I hold her. This idiot come there, even the ring bell will not put up for her. As taffy as it is, he come pass back Tony. You see, remember? See where the person pass. Man, show that for here. See the balcony. We not put door for her. See the balcony. Now here pass. See, now here pass here. Now here. See, I think I see here. He pass and enter. He pass and enter. We not put the husband and wife the quarrel. No, he no want go. He ring bell. He not go because he want see the beginning, he want see the end. We not put up for a compass here. I wish he used to die that day. What did they tell her what to kill her? I won't go not to Tafia. I won't go not to Ore. We not put up because no my husband and wife they fight. What they quarrel? What it concern her? He come pass back on it. We not put up for her. Now back on it, pass enter. Let's see for all for that day. What he go tell Baba God? You go say husband and wife, they fight for inside house. Now he pass first floor. And this one why they talk say 4-story building. You understand? As the person enter house, he can't put up for the other woman. Now pursue that woman, go back. Eh? Now that one you they talk, you know the shame. Only we had daughter. I think they talk for life, you say, husband and wife, then they quarrel. What of you? That guy where they with you go marry you. He go marry you. Don't let me talk. Oh. Don't let me talk. Oh. And you know say that guy not go marry you. Now for Kimeti be. You are sack and swine. Because I said I don't want to talk with you, I tell help you. May I just talk you or may carry the glory. Did you go come out? Yeah, you want upon that help you and your husband. What you help? I better like make sure the thing wait. May not talk about me. What you tell my husband? Tell him me come talk. No daughter. My husband not the you know they look on my face. Talk like say you can't give us say what you help her? I said I let this one you tell help her, let this one. Oh yeah, you bonnet. Because I not getting you not getting offer. Wait, what give me? Imagine. I said my husband said they come meet us, he says they say I forget. Come and see the car and say help my husband. What did you help my husband? Wow, I don't want to say okay, the woman I help the woman. I only just give her the glory, say the woman does see help me. But I don't want to talk my own side, just say, Mr. Epa, my own see even be pass. Person will go hospital, leave picky, go open door, come outside. I go pursue and enter us again. I come start for the month. They walk out, they do nice side, they do SSI. Why now your picky are they secure? You know how many times people don't pursue your picky enter house? Picky where you go lock for inside house. For night you go sleep late, only that picky go sleep past the daybreak. But you don't know the kind of friend where I did for you as a friend. Yeah, I wear security. How because I say, make them not go call police for you. To the essence somebody because he go call police for your picking. I don't come meet you because he can't tell you. Because of you. If I go your bed, go rebel, and let that picking this answer. I can't begin to do security. For your own picking. Who will he forget it? What I go say? Black for this Zoom, no say you don't abandon your picking for inside house. You have never made sure this guy name. Eh, now I made that's this one with the year doesn't see him. Don't go pursue enter house. Go pour for her. My husband don't say go pour for her. So that's square key were there with me. I'll go put the dog, carry the picking, come outside. Come my house here. How to protect this idiot. No, they help people. Ask the same person, they say full stop, they say goosey, they say bolo. Ask whether I don't follow on back. I never follow on back because I dey get her and from you. If they talk now, you know they buy one, you they bring your things come for Nigeria. Did you go where they talk? Now sometimes say me bring for Nigeria, you might muere. Gijwe, no more America. E put go where? Person will say can't go to America. See he leg. E put on from where? Your wife, mama, you know if you carry her, come do surgery for her. May leg straight. May no get one leg pass one. Go and hustle. You dey carry Nigeria passport, they come outside. Shame on you for so many years. Why you know they don't get passport, go everything. About when Nigeria passport, talking for his pockets. Now you want to talk with you, can't kill yourself. He said, by the grace of God, I'm working towards it. When we already they work towards it for so many months now. Or we work for many years. We just Nigeria, Italian passport. You they talk to me as arrest. Are you okay? Girl, that guy's secret. He fool everywhere. Yafu. The reason why I don't want to say I still help her. I want to give her the glory. May not say yeah, I still a good friend. You know, I not talk the one why I still help her. But did you go see they exist? I have to tell you. How can you with Polo say? whether I don't leave my own key of my ass, I don't give him. But he don't give me his own. He don't give me his own. Take the help. He matter, I'm not going on. No one say, one no Ladiana. Everybody know I say they leave picky for us now. And then they know, if one come out, oh, someone you over, if in security will compound you, but we here. Now the one more that we know a picky be. To the end, when somebody tell me say he go call police for them, because everybody for this compound know say if they leave picky for inside house. But I have to secure that place for her. A man say new ne. Oh Zua. Dog go here. But I want you to tell my husband. You not get what you tell the help people now. You make you tell the help people. And everybody know for this city. Now make you tell the help. If you say you help my husband, that means not make you. Because my husband never carry something come this house because na mama justice na bring am come. No. He never bring am. The only thing why I know say you say you tell Epa. Now this one. What you tell the help people? Not be bekus. I wanna go on. I they try to keep everything. He said, my husband every day hold me say me I forget. Oh no. Before my husband, this is why they do video for this Asti. Why they do video for now? My husband never attacked me the way they attack me for this woman because he knows say oh. Now you we would laugh, bag here, keep about what they laugh.
Yeah, then go inside.
Because we know he know. That's why you see say go they attack me, say no. Because he na buta, na error. Only this compound they go low. If you say my husband join, we go make a 3 or before. If my husband join. I want to say, I give you the glory second. I know you want to help me. I don't want to talk the one when me sit here help you. But me, I just put a make the matter still there. Hey, you where mommy? I don't want to talk. I want to talk. You they push me. Now let me talk. Oh, when you're back on, you carry something can't give me. Your carry something can't give me. What else? They say they find my tenant. Why are you going like this? Not to come back again. If your carry consider, you go ask me. My tenant theirs. My tenant theirs. Now me you confirm. I've been on my tenant. You confirm. Oh, Orowa. I call the answer. I said this girl say they fall in love with this girl. In my tenant, that was a God forbid. Jesus, that one go dey shout Jesus. That one don't see what you see wrong. You say you come visit me. You go the inside the ask whether my Orowa. What you defend her for? What do you defend her for? You love her. Oh no, you think you are cheating. You dey come around your brother, your friend. Let me talk. Oh, what they oh? Because the person say make it quiet, make it quiet, make it quiet. You are going to say that me you can't visit. You go there inside the house of my tenant, and you say you don't move on. Nonsense. I want anyway. Come back. May Maya West so rest in peace. You see dirty Maya Wa. No, since the government will talk, let the tell me say make I stop. If since the boyfriend where put that fast not to talk, why you tell me say make I stop? May Maya Wa so rest in peace. Amaya Wa was dating this woman. The guy where Amaya Wa bring come because they stay with her. As Amaya Wa die finish now, the guy called the fear. He say no fit stay with stay that house. Say as far as the person don't die for the I say no coffee stay. This woman come carry the map put for us. Now Epa the parlor, kitchen parlor, now they sleep. So mother, they don't talk to boyfriend and girlfriend. So mother they say they be husband and wife. Your old best friend will carry you come ask you. Your friend let you come give the knock girlfriend. What a shame! And you call that friend. Somebody, my boyfriend. Somebody, am I your wife friend? Now am I your wife carry this guy enter nasty? Now am I your wife? Now they date this guy. If they date am I your wife, see they date one guy where they call Eme. I know what's up now. See, I know everything about you. Now let me go talk. Nonsense. With the baby where more talk. What did you tell my husband? Now make us tell now. If you say you hate my we will see the way you did the joy of leg come outside now. Because me I don't know say you hate my husband. My men we are pay now. Who are going with saga? Why we saga why you see why you say do what only your seeker. Don't want to tell the cousin of you marry that kind of person. Nonsense. Say don't help me. Everybody you dey help. Now say they tell me, people who are dead, say, any I had this one, say, last I carry this one, go work, last I give her a walk, say, and I say. Thank God, say, I help you. When you are so where you why, you got help you where. Because I don't want to talk the way me to help you, may not come beside the buga, may not come beside the raised body. Yeah, now you tell me, they don't help you, eh? They carry my pikin come give you carry and go school. Now me go the carry and come. You all go live for inside house. What security lele? Nonsense. DJ got that passport where you do so, me was save my guy. Next time, me hear do well. Next year, me hear do well. My dear, I dey come and do live video, me see you. That's why they tell you say, did you go? They don't know you. Now they ask the people, your junior people, now they know you. If I even they talk about you, they know the viewer because why they don't know you. May I put Becky the quit on show them may not get everybody who do I get comment a secret in where they don't know you as presenter. If you look at the people where they comment, now nasty people, union. Now junior people, now they lie because you know say they not pull leg. They not feel pull leg because they don't know who they talk to. Well, you're the disgrace, you're the saga yourself. Thank God say you go sit down and reason and say, go look on my video, go see view. Why if you say if I talk about you, they no view the day because you are not notified. And today not my way, never share you. Where I begin to talk. YouTube bloggers, they blog me, they go. DJ go blog you. Nobody. Am I where you are not noticed? The only people, now the people who know you for you asking, now be people who know you now asking. That's why I changed your name to Goat. DJ call one hour survey. And the name they don't wear now. And everybody don't know now put. Nonsense. Say you don't help. But you're just look at the talker. You know the one who help the guy. If you're for that collect the picking. Since when one woman talk and say he go collect, he go call police for Ogbalegbe for him if he leave pikin for us again. For there, come begin to monitor this woman pikin. How to protect the pikin. I know how it be. Where police don't involve for pikin life. And he be single mother. You call the wrong year. I have to do everything by all means. Because of this woman. You say you help me. Why you tell me? What you help me? I help you, I help you too. I don't ever give you my key. My square key say I beg. I leave the key for inside. But you don't give me your key. You know how many months your key don't stay my house? Almost about 3 months your key don't stay with me. 3 good months your key don't stay with me. Why take they help you go, they open your key door, they carry and they go somewhere, carry and come back. Umatoni. Oh, bon, lawa, but that people, and he had boy, yes, ni me help where I'm not do where you. The date Amayawa, you the date this one, you the date this one. Amayawa that by now, you can't carry the friend where carry cocoa, they stay with her. When that's what I want you. Even the guy where they use cat, they carry you. You think say we not listen to him? You can't say that one Ghana person. Oh yeah, we know. We don't know him. If I don't know you, that day where you dey what did I call this guy name? I don't want to make sure his name for you. Where am I your wild die? Where they say they want to donate money. When you dey somebody number, fear not let me give you the number. I say I go by myself, call her. Because I know you. Know I am me or dog. You defend the person number, they go. You say you not get her, and I get her. Now I say no what I go by myself, call her. He say no, make I give her maybe. I say no, because I know you. Because I know you. I will not know you. You try, I say no, I'm not going to give you. But last, the way they exist, I can't give you. Who be the person number where you defend? A passato. Because they donate money where they want to put the guy for grant. I don't know what they say they want to buy, whether a casket. So because they call people for asking. So according to that, I can't even give her some more people where I know. They don't let me give her a passato number. Because I know the kind of person she is. Now you have me on your job for now. I will hear that I will no bad now. That she don't let me give her. If he ask, I want to go here. He tell me he don't. I don't give her. Because who know? Near the no bana. Here came any swing. I want to go here with I know the kind of friends I have. Me where they look at because my husband not the said. That's the reason why I free myself because my husband not the look at my nyash. He know himself. That one guarantee. You say my husband that is my talk. You get the record. Did you go plan? I dare you make a plan. My husband only him me. My husband never get time. You woman. You know what you are saying. Since I deny from my husband immediately, because I know my husband. If now he tell you, now, may I still let the woman know now, say, the guy when they date not go marry her. He don't talk her from my house here. Say not go marry her. Where they call my guy, so that guy talk her, he get picky for Nigeria, 2 picking. How we tell no, now he's the man talk her here. Even talk say not go marry the woman. Nonsense. When they can say you help my husband, you help my husband. When did you help my husband? Tafia gbo wa gbon. Odo me ko wo wa. O ya le ba ko mi wa ko dun de nu huria. Uta mi ya we tafia do. Odo me gbu ya makiro we na le ba ko ni. You don't want to marry me. Marry na test. Oh, when don't help me. You want me to help you, call? Who matter? You don't tell us how you tell to give me square key. Your square key go with me for good 3 months. Oh, because not many things about you. When you take carry people pay to go Nigeria. You are here in Nigeria. When you tell me say they go Nigeria, that period, I'm not dreaming yet at my ass. Who else? Well, who not to protect your life? That is the reason why now not to meet me. My people make a live now. DJ go and find solution. For now till next year, make sure you get Italian passport. If you don't get our hair, how disgrace go enter your body. You understand? My husband say me go hustle. Leave the saga for your woman. Now woman that they talk. You understand? Now woman they talk. Go also. My husband now that they prepare it is now tomorrow now work. Oh, we want to buy at the Facebook. Now Facebook they give you. He say, now you know give me followers. Who give me followers? Who give me followers? Becky, but they follow us. Maybe Becky told him away. Becky begged me, he even call me. If you need followers, he go give you followers, he go give you this one. My dear, you will say you get followers, you're not natural. You're not natural. Now you never monetize. You're not natural. You know, me will get back Facebook. Me will back followers. See my monetization. Now me no want set up. You see, say start there if they appear there. So now me no want set up. May I show you who's what. So now me no want set up. Because I also stop saga. See, you see, you will get set up. You see, set up. You see, may I show you start. See, you'll see, say, VAT go enter. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Now, me no set up. You don't tell me they don't give me a VAT. See, all this one I have VAT. Wait. Oh. Where I will come touch, where I will pass center now. Oh. So, all of them, they say make I set them up. I not fit set them. Because why? I want to do content. Before I go start today. Wait, may I show you as well. You see all this place. See, you see, no error. See, now this one they say make I set. All this one they don't set up. Because they never set up, but I don't, if I touch this one, you don't go see the setup. I don't touch all this one. All this one, and I make you not see setup. All of them. Me will back followers. They don't give me say, I monetize my page, make I set up. You will get re-followers when me yes one monetize. You know, I still start to the monetize. You will make start, and you say now re-followers you get. Me will back followers. They don't see. You see, if I touch her now, you're not going to see the setup because not to set her. I don't want to set her. I also stop saga. I want to do content. If I want to start to do content, I can't set everything. I want to do my content. I'm not that desperate like you. You see, screenshot her, show Becky. He go tell you say they don't give me my monetize on my page. See, even this one there your face. They don't give you this one make you set. They don't give you this one, make you set. All this one, they don't give you for your Facebook, make you set. They never give you. As they never give you, and you get normal followers. So normal followers, now you say you get to me way back followers. They don't give me my set all my monetization. Wow, bro. You will get real followers. You never see get monetization. You never see get star. You never see get anything. Me where you use money buy followers, fake followers. They can't give me say I go monetize my star and everything. It's just stupid. You don't know between Facebook and page. You don't even know. You they do Facebook, I'm star anywhere, I'm VAT anywhere, I'm social anywhere, nothing. And the reason why I never set up because many saga they grab people they want bully. Make them not go report and the star come come out, the monetization come out. That is the reason why I say come. Who is you? You will get followers. You know how to get monetization, everything for your phone. Come get that here. Nobody know you for you're not a presenter. May I carry Becky come outside, may they see you. May I carry the Quito show come out, may they see you. May I carry Enogie come out, may they see you. What of you? They don't know you. And I see they talk now, nobody even know you. Now let us see people know you. Only us see people. Your union finish. Nobody know you. Now then they comment. Wow, so my people may I come out, no talk about Anita Chamber. With the VR, make this guy see the view, may they come. Am I aware? Now the people where they know, now I know they're supposed to bring it to the society. Obiara na ikosa, obi ye US saga. And I know for bring you up, so that many people still know you, but nothing. As Enogie say not to do saga, there is a way where people still know you. Say you are not a presenter. People is still there. You guys that take the door because you don't know anything. You don't know anything. You shock you. I sit there the woman. Ask the woman whether not give me kiss. Spend 3 months for my hand. When I go they open the door, they come outside. But one thing no loss. But if now I give my key, you just for my pen tire. Even my husband boss us I go find a tire. I'm not telling my well. The help will help me. The help will help me. What the help? I wish help help my husband. Would I even everybody knows now because if you give my husband also free. Landlord, tenant, labor, all of the data for inside this compound. Oh yeah, now who will go with saga? Saga, you know, Sabi anything. Come my teacher to do saga. I'm waiting they pay me pass. My first no know you. Then we waiting they pay them. Here, man, where so that they will come and say no, they talk about this guy. We don't know this guy. And if they talk, I know they may say because nobody know him. Now let my city know him. Wow, soon say you not see view. Which view you get? A view need. Go look my page where they talk about better people, presenters, 8K, 10K, 11K. If I talk about you, nobody, because to show say you are not exist, you are not a presenter. Now me go foresee you sister to bring you. Now me go foresee you sister to put you. We go plan out together. For them, Godfather go involve. Before they know me, you know what I do before they people call house arrest. And house war to popular. If you don't do that, you will make it popular now. Now let your city know you. I foresee put you for the line. So matter DJ Goats no guy. DJ Goats does see that live video. You want to talk about Enogie, or you want to talk about the Mama J, or you want to who do you go they fly. Go see this guy now with the big Donosagi. Where they Nigeria, where they don't know. Who they wash him? If they get 200 views, you know they reach 1K. Go see her now. Sister now. They thought they know her now. What do they call this man? Where they Nigeria? Where they beat Donosagi now? Nobody know her. That time when they wash her, 54 views. You know they even the reach 100 views. Go see her now. You know they follow us the drag view now. Hey, they allow. That's why they take the enter. Go meet and make it tissue. Well, one like that be. Oh, now let us see people go see you. Oh, let us see people. Now make you see say they know the comment. But man, can another people come and present like me? Oh boy, yeah. Now be there, now there be there, Baba. Press comment their fans. They don't even know pass you when we talk about them. They will come begin the writer for social media. Who do I beg comment? Hey, call. If I talk about you, they know they call. But my big presenter for granted. You call the see Congo they enter. With that my well, you are not noticed. Now let us see people know you. Wanna buy your way. I'm not where you DJ go to. Wow, go and try how to get Italian passport before you come talk to me. Because now me don't they walk towards my own now. Me don't they walk, not the carry that Nigeria passport. Shocking now. Wow. Shocking now. Talking now. Wow. And my husband asked I did. No one will talk to the carry boyfriend or can't carry boyfriend. He go marry you. Ask yourself.